Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to trade Perps on Pacifica DEX. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. What is Pacifica? Pacifica is a decentralized perpetual features built on Solana blockchain, designed to deliver the speed and user experience of centralized exchanges while maintaining the transparency and self-custodial of DeFi. It is the largest Perp DEX on Solana by volume, with 10 billion plus total volume in closed beta phase. It is self-funded and accessible on invite only. This means without an invite code, you won't be able to trade on Pacifica. The platform restricts access to users with valid invite code to manage testing and prioritize genuine users. You can check their official Discord or X account for invite code shared by community members. Pacifica also features a point program for potential airdrops based on trading volume. This simply means you earn points for trading. Now, how can you trade Perps on Pacifica? Since it is built on Solana, you need a Solana-compatible wallet like Phantom, Solflare, and so on. We'll be using Phantom browser for easier access. Just head to your browser, then visit app.pacifica.fi. Now tap on Connect Wallet at the top. Select your wallet, tap on Phantom, then connect. Now we have successfully connected our wallets. Let's explore the interface. The pair is currently on BTC. Tap on it. You can tap on it to change and choose any one you want to trade. Now let's search for BNB, as we'll be using BNB for our illustration. So we have the chart showing visual representation of the price at different intervals. When you scroll up, we have order book on the left showing the present and potential future market activity, while on the right we have other types, we have leverage and margin mode. When you get your invite code, just tap on join close beta, then paste your invite code here, tap on submit code, then confirm. After signing that, you find out that you can now start trading. Pacifica supports both cross and isolated margin. On cross margin, all your available collateral is shared across your open positions. If you want trade losses, it can use your other funds to stay open. The advantage is that you have a lower chance of liquidation, while the disadvantage is that one bad trade can liquidate all your collateral. While on isolated mode, each position has its own separate margin. Losses on one trade won't affect the other. The advantage is that your risk is limited to a single position, while the disadvantage is that there is a higher chance of liquidation if one position moves against you. So just choose the one that works best for you. Next is leverage. Leverage simply means borrowing extra funds to increase your trade size. If you trade 100 USDC at 10x leverage, you trade as if you have $1,000. It is simply collateral multiplied by leverage. Higher leverage is equal to higher reward and higher risk of liquidation. So always use a fair leverage on your trade. So we have several other types, but market and limits are mostly used. Market order executes immediately at the current price, while limit order executes only when the price reaches your choosing level. Next is take profit and stop loss. Take profit and stop loss are risk management tools that automatically close your trade. Take profit closes your trade when you hit your target gain, while stop loss closes your position automatically when the price moves against you beyond a limit. Now let's quickly open a long Perp position on BNB. I'll just set my amount to, let's say, 90% of my balance. Then our leverage is 5x. So I'll set my take profit to 25% profit and stop loss to 25% loss. So all I need to do now is click on long/buy. So we have successfully opened a pair position on BNB. Now let's tap on portfolio. Scroll down. At the bottom you find positions, tap on it. So now you can see your position details. You can see your BNB size, your position value, your entry price, your mark price, your liquidation price. Liquidation price simply means when BNB gets to this price, you'll be liquidated. That's why it is always important to set your stop loss. Now let's tap on the 3 dash icon at the top, then tap on leaderboard. Now this is the leaderboard. So you earn points based on your trading volume, your profits and your losses. Whenever you open and close a perp position, you earn points. So that's how to trade perps on Pacifica DEX and also earn points while you trade. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.